In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how a student will edit their profile. Now, this is the landing page where you get to when you first log on, and there's a couple ways to get to the profile. So one would be through here. We could click on Edit Profile. If you happen to be somewhere else, the whiteboard is probably the most common place someone would be. If you click on your avatar up here, you can also get to your profile through that link. And of course, this is where you would change your avatar if you want to, and there are lots of different avatars to select from. If you go in here and you don't want to change it, you can just click outside and that will go away. So to click at Edit Profile, so if for some reason you have a different email address, this is where you could edit it. You could change your password here. Just highlight this and click Change Another Password. So let's say, okay, so and of course, if you want to see what it is, click on that. So let's say that you were in grade 8 last year, and now you're in grade 9. So we select grade 9, and notice you get another field here now because in grade 9, 10, or 11, there are course levels. So if you click on MTH1W, for example, if you're in that course now, and of course, if you wanted to update your school board, you could here also. So let's say that's all the editing we wanted to do. So I'll click on Save Profile. And we're done. So it'll take you back here when all that saving has been completed. And so that's how you edit your profile in Mathify.